Other drills that I can share to you, no? So this one is patad-tad. Patad-tad on this side. And then let's see how we can combine it with different pattern in RRK on my left. Okay, so this is how I teach my student how they can start blending the 5 kings. So first one will be like this. So this is patad-tad, 1, 2, 3. So some student we prepare them teaching like this. But originally I was taught by McHenry to hold the stick like this. So it's easy to try to strike rather than here. When you brought it back, sometimes it hits your elbow. So it depends on your preparation. Okay, so this one is patad-tad, 1. Okay, 1. So 1, 2, and 3. And if you ship it here, that's patad-tad as well. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 again. So angle number 1, then angle number 1. This one we're gonna pass through. Okay, 1, bounce back, 2, then bring it back here, and then here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And if you do it here as patad-tad, same thing, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. But if you do it with a different pattern, so like for this one is patad-tad sinawali, patad-tad alimpuyo, patad-tad whatsoever. So I'm gonna combine first with sinawali. 2, 3, then 1, 2, and 3. That's the RRK sinawali is this one, the usual. Okay, I'm gonna move 1. Sorry, 1 patad-tad, and then sinawali. Patad-tad, then sinawali. Okay, go move. Okay, so here I'm executing patad-tad, sinawali. So Mangyari call it patasina. And then you can start here, which is patad-tad. Now here, 1, 2, 3, and this one is sinawali. Okay, you can combine. So 1, 2, and 3, patad-tad or repetitive strike, and then sinawali with the backhand. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again. Okay, so that's a drills that you can practice. So you can go on and practice it. That's high, 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 high. You can do it high, high, low, low, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, and so on and so on. So practice it, get used to it, and master it. Thank you, and see you in the next one. And if you like the video, please make sure to like it, subscribe, and share it, or follow in whatever platform that you see this. And then if you're interested, you can train with us in Luneta every Sunday. The first training will be free. Okay, thank you, see you there.